Hi everybody, welcome back to my garden. So the weather has changed a little bit around here. It's been really cold the last couple of nights. We haven't had any frost, but they did up by our cottage. There was a light frost, so it's getting to be that time of year. So in anticipation of fall, I'm going to start digging up some of my potatoes. Now I've already dug up like 8 plants. That's how many I've dug up. So I'm gonna do the rest of the Yukon Gold and the rest of the red potatoes. And I'm gonna leave the Kennebecks for a little while because they still look okay. They don't look like they need to come out of the ground. So I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. These are always one of my favorite gardening videos to watch, is to watch someone harvest potatoes. So let's get digging. So these are the Yukon Golds that I'm gonna harvest. I have got so many potato berries on these. Look at that. Every plant. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep them or not. Get the weeds out of there. Go about there. There's a nice one. That might be all there is for that one. So there it is. That's from like 5, 6 plants. I got that much. Yukon Golds didn't do as good as the reds. So tell me, how many of you have started potatoes from seed? Let me know down in the comments below if you've had any success with that, because I think that would be a fun experiment. I have to look into it more and see, like, is it a pain in the ass or not? Because if it's not too terrible, I might try it just for funsies. Just for funsies. All right, let's do reds. I don't think I'm gonna do this one. It still looks pretty healthy. I think I'm gonna leave that one there. So let's start with these. go. That's about, maybe 14, 15 feet of potatoes. Pretty good. They're really big. So I also harvested 3 Kennebec white plants. This one's sticking up out of the ground, but really nice size to these. Good French fry potatoes. Accidentally stabbed that one. So that was a pretty good haul, as far as I'm concerned. Really big potatoes. You know what I'm noticing this year? Is there's not one, not one potato with any slug damage on them. Last year I had a lot of slug damage on my potatoes. So, and last year I grew russets because we're in potato country here. There's lots of potato farms to the east of us, actually all around us. Between potatoes and cranberries, there's a lot. And the russets really gave me trouble with slugs. So maybe they're not such a good idea to buy or to grow. They're better to buy. Especially when there's lots of potato farmers around here. You can get fresh potatoes. So I'm really happy. Even the Yukon Golds didn't have any slug damage. So I'm really happy about that. So that's going to be it for this year's red potato and Yukon Gold potato harvest. Now I did give a big, like half bushel of potatoes to my sister, so you got to add that to the mix. But yeah, they really turned out good. So I can't wait. I've been wanting to make cream potato soup all week, so I'll go ahead and do that. All right, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Let me know how your potatoes did this year. And until next time, happy gardening. Bye-bye.